thou shalt not fornicate. There's a commandment of God in the Bible, in the Torah, and in the Quran. Thou shalt not fornicate. What is the meaning fornicate? The man and the woman, the boy and the girl have a sexual relation without wedding, without marriage, without announcement, and that is being legalized. In the whole Philippines, in America, in Europe, having a sexual relation between the man and woman is legalized. It is not considered as illegal anymore. It's legal. The boy and the girl can go and do this committed haram, the forbidden act, the what God bawal or the forbidden, they're committing it. And there are places for this. There are motels for this where they can go and commit this zina, which is in the Quran, 100 lashes. But in the Bible, the punishment mentioned, the man and woman who commit the adultery, sexual relation without marriage, what is the punishment in the Bible? Death penalty with stoning to death. Babatoin, stoning to death. But the Christians, they don't follow that. They legalize it. In America, in Europe, in South America, in Philippines, they legalize it. The boy and girl, the man and woman, they can do a sexual relation. There are places appointed for them to go and do the sexual relation. And they consider it is okay. God will punish them. And this is the punishment. Typhoons, floods, earthquakes. These are the punishments of God to the people.